Welcome to today's video, guys, and I got something really exciting to share with you. My brand new BMX bike. Now we'll go into detail and let you get a good look at it in a little bit, but I need to throw in a clip here to give you guys some context. So as you guys know, I've been friends with Adam now for quite a while, and I mean, he initially started his YouTube career, I'm pretty sure, on just BMX stuff. And I started getting into BMX here with Chris, and I started really liking like the progression and how it felt and everything. And it's kind of always been something I've been interested in, but never really knew or had the right friends to ask for advice or what to do and that kind of stuff, right? So I decided I wanted to get a bike over here and take back with me to Japan. So Adam gave me some advice and everything, and I sent him some money, and he was like, kept like egging me on about like wanting to like do like this custom cool powder coat job on the thing and like Yashio Factory livery and all this stuff. And it was super cool idea, but I was like, nah man, like this is gonna be my first bike. You know, I don't want to spend money on it, that kind of thing. Like I just wanted a decent bike. So anyways, that aside, you'll see what happened when I go to pick up the bike. So here's that clip. What is that?
New bike, sir.
Shut up. Damn, you can hold a manual for a while. No way. I still got a helmet here, but a while ago, you guys know we rode with Adam and he hooked it up with an incredible bike. Dude, tell me something about this.
Well, you bought the bike.
I bought the bike, of course, yeah.
I told you about powder coating. You're like, it's too expensive, but I want to do it because I knew it would look really cool.
It looks so good. And you even did the Yashio Factory logo?
Yeah, but this is about as good as it gets for a complete bike.
Yep.
All really good parts. It's sick.
It looks so good. Yeah. I'm really keen. What's this seat? Why is there a hole in there?
Oh, that's just how you like install it.
Oh, okay.
I don't remember if this is Mark Burnett's signature or Simone's signature, but like the 21-inch tall person certified, like, sick.
Damn,
it's
I'm
light,
so
solid.
pumped. No brakes or anything like that. And the powder coating came out baller.
It comes with brakes, but I just figured you didn't want them because of what you said.
Yeah, cool. Dude, I can't thank you enough. I'm excited to ride with you again sometime soon. Learn something more than what I did last time, that's for sure.
I'm jealous, this bike is sick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, dude.
Yeah.
Now I gotta put it in there and make sure it doesn't get scratched. So now that you guys know the backstory, I've been dying to ride this thing, like scratch it up, bang it up, get the feel for it. When I was at Adam's house riding at his skate park in his backyard, he let me borrow one of his bikes, which me and him are very similar heights. So he had a nice 21-inch and it felt so much better than Chris's. Chris's is too small for me. So I've been dying to ride this thing and feel it out. But the weather the last couple of days has been terrible. Now that I can also drive the Miata on the street, I figured, why not take the BMX out and go to a skate park? So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know if this is the best way to kind of put this thing in here, but hey, it'll work. I'm just loving this Yashio Factory stuff here that he did. All right, let's get to the shop, unload, and then go find a skate park. So before I can go riding today, we gotta work out this AC. So Tommy has just, I guess you've just put dye in the system, is that what you've done? Yeah. Cool. And once that's in there, we then just need to pressurize it with like normal air. Done?
See?
Ooh, it's like a syringe.
Yeah, basically an injection of UV dye so we can put it under the mic and then under the glasses and the light. And then
cool.
Back on the road pretty quick.
Hell yeah, so we just put these on and just try and look for it.
Pretty much.
Cool. All right, and I guess once we put some pressure in this, we'll be all good.
Yep.
And we'll see where it's leaking out from. Now, once we find the leak and stuff, do we have to take all the dye back out?
No, I'll just suck it through.
Oh, it just sucks out.
Add a pack oil and everything. So when I suck, it'll suck all the non-condensables. That'll lubricate the lines and we're
done. All right, cool. Learning more about AC stuff on cars every day. Also, I'm working this out now for the this side for the valve cover breather. Unfortunately, we had a little bit of an incident, so I'm trying to extract a bolt from here right now. That snapped on me, but yeah. Give you guys an update in a little bit once we get this system pressurized and we start looking for leaks. So I've really been dying to ride my bike today, and my plan was to go to the skate park this afternoon before it closed at 9. Now I got a little bit too carried away, lost track of time, sorting out a bunch of little things with the AC system on the Miata, trying to seal the leak and sort all of that out. And yeah, it's already past 9, but I'm always a big fan of MacGyver and MacGyvering things. If you know that term, tell me in the comment section. So, we're gonna make ourselves our own ramp out the front of Chris's shop with just whatever I can find lying around at the dumpster here at this complex. And I'm gonna start practicing my 180s and stuff like that. Just some basic things to just at least ride. Up at this end, I found some pallets, which would be really good for a base for my ramp, and we can build up from there and just pick which one's best. Probably one of these plastic ones I think is going to be the better choice here. So let's grab something, probably just one of these. Obviously we're going to return everything that we take, so don't worry about that, lads. Yo, was that a cane toad? I didn't know America had cane toads. Oh my god, it is! We have those in Australia. It's a big pest issue. They were brought over, well, we call them cane toads. I don't know what you guys call them here, but yeah, here you go. Anyways, so let's take our pallet now, go to the shop, start setting up a jump. Well, not a jump, but you know what I'm talking about. I don't know what they're called. So here is what I've come up with. We use that pallet. I use 3 scrap tires, and I use this gym mat. So there's a gym over in these buildings here, and they have all these rubber mats on the outside. We're gonna put everything back when we're done, so don't worry. And I've also got some like 2x4s under here to try and like smooth this kind of ramp section going up to this. So it should hold. I don't know if it's big enough for me to be practicing 180s and stuff on it. We're just gonna feel it out. It's definitely sketchy, but at least I can have a bit of a BMX session here and have some fun on my new bike. So let's get to it. Oh man, this thing's sketch. Wonder if I can get like a strap it down. Not hit from the side, that's for sure. Oh boy. Yeah, this feels pretty weird. I don't know if I'll be able to do it on this. It's pretty sketchy. Let's give it a go. Not gonna happen. Oh, I'll get this, I'll get this. I mean, kind of. That was like more of a manual than anything else. We'll get it. Next one. Such a sketchy ramp. Oh yeah, now that whole thing shifted. Push it back down. Kind of. Manual again though, but I didn't call my rear wheel. It's such a weird ramp to do anything on. But at least it's something. That'll work. I'm pretty exhausted right now. I didn't get to go to the skate park today, but we're definitely going tomorrow. I'm gonna make sure that happens. And even if I do miss it, we're gonna keep doing this because I need to get my cardio up, and I'm still loving my progression, no matter like how little or how small. Every time I ride the bike, I'm progressing, and that's what matters. Geez, my hair's a mess. We're about to start the car, and that is because we are now ready to start pumping, make sure we're neutral, the AC system with some AC gas. And refrigerant. All right. We got it going. Should I turn the AC on?
Yeah.
All right, so.
I need the AC on full blast, recycle, I mean.
All right, it's on.
All right, so we're full. Make sure she's full. Make sure she's.
Oh yeah,
full.
we definitely need that on the.
Make sure
blue.
AC button's on.
AC button's on.
Recycle. We're good.
All right. Let's start filling her up. There we go. So we got the bottle hooked up, and it's now sending everything in.
She's about to wake up.
Is she? Oh yeah. So we've been pumping this thing with some refrigerant for a while now, and she is icy cold, boys. I'm loving this.
Do you have a digital gauge?
I don't, no. But I mean, I can feel that this is getting ice cold. This is nice. Feel that, man.
It's like Colorado on a like nice, not a winter day because that's astronomically cold, but I would say like the spring.
Yeah. All right, sure. I mean, I don't care. It's AC in a race car, man. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, no, and it's cold.
Right?
And it's getting even worse.
Just for comparison, not a single one of the cars in this workshop right now have a working AC.
And the AC that every one of these cars does get is on the roof.
That's true. This feels amazing. I'm so excited to drive this now tomorrow morning.
All right, so everybody, when you want to do this, if you're doing this at your house and you have your own gauges, when she's idling, you want it to be between 30 to 40. I always max it out so when you're giving it gas, you're accelerating, it runs. So I run it just a little higher usually.
Yeah.
But you notice how we're 150 north, she's between 150 and 200. She's not upset, she wants to run good.
Yep.
Even if I get in there and give it a lot of gas, it'll get to 250 and you're not gonna hurt her.
All right, I'm keen, man. I mean, as long as it's got some nice icy cold air, that's all I care about. It's cold, all right. I'm so excited. Oh man, that's incredible. If only we could let you guys experience that. It's icy cold. Tell me if you got cold all of a sudden, got some chills.
Yeah.
I'm excited, man. I never would have thought that I'd have all of this with AC and working power steering.
I'm with you on that.
Yeah, so pumped.
But anything can be done, just gotta wanna do it.
That's right. I am not gonna lie, it feels so good taking the Miata out for a drive with raging cold AC and getting gas. I really need to fix this door handle. I actually took a look at it today. I don't need to replace the door handle. I just need to fix the wire inside that connects to it. It seems like it's gotten super, super loose. How do I pop the gas thing in this again? This is the first time I've had to put gas in it in a long time. There it is. Got my candy for Call of Duty later tonight. Just putting a little bit of gas in. And then we're going for E85 tomorrow, hopefully, fingers crossed. So back on the road, and the AC feels really good. We do need to work on some drivability stuff. Sometimes the car wants to stall and stuff like that, which I suspect we just haven't set anything up in the ECU to accommodate for it. Just quickly as well, let's do a second gear pull. So that noise that you just heard there, that like, that's my wastegate. You guys gotta remember I have a screamer pipe, and when we have boost control enabled with the boost solenoid, that's flickering and the bleeder valve, which is making the wastegate flutter and make that sound. So it's not the turbo surging. I know a few people were freaking out in the comment section of the last video, so I just wanna clarify, that's my screamer pipe and the wastegate kind of flickering and opening and closing really quickly to keep boost at 14, 15 PSI through the rev range once it gets up there. So that's normal, that's okay. So calm down, lads, calm down, it's all right. So I'm gonna leave today's video there. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, with the whole BMX stuff, I'm just really excited to do some more riding and progress. Obviously, I'm definitely no pro BMX rider, and I have a long way to go, but I still want to show you guys my progression, and it's something I'm excited about right now, so I know you guys are going to probably enjoy watching all of that and the journey and stuff. And I'm pretty excited for Japan as well, because I know they have a lot of indoor BMX kind of like freestyle parks and stuff, so it's going to be really cool being able to go to those and learn there and find some cool street spots and stuff like that. So anyways, with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, I mean, the Miata has AC now. I drove the thing home and it felt incredible. And also, I hope I clarified and cleared up that compressor surge thing. If you guys want as well to just confirm that, you can actually do a bit of research on YouTube, and there's a fair few really good videos of people on the dyno showing you what compressor surge on boost actually sounds like and what it does. Sounds entirely different, and you'll actually notice that it affects your power curve. So if that was compressor surge, we were hearing that noise on the dyno as well. You would see on the dyno graph it kind of going like this. Whenever it would surge, it would, the PSI drops and then comes back, drops and comes back, drops and comes back. That is not actually happening in my case. So just wanted to let you guys calm down. Initially, I did freak out about it as well when I first heard it on the dyno, but then Jack assured me that it was just actually the wastegate, and I did a bit of research and he's right. So we'll let the pros tell us what's up, and I'm ranting on. So thanks for watching, guys. Smash the like button, write us a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. It's actually the next day. I'm gonna go head to the skate park. I'm dying to ride again, so peace out. Ciao.